In this video, I'll show you the best free VPN for PC to watch Netflix. If you want a faster, more reliable option that works with Netflix and streaming without any restrictions, check out NordVPN. The link is in the description. For this video, we'll be using Proton VPN as an example. First, open your browser and go to the Proton VPN sign-up page. To make it easy, I've added the link in the description. Once you're there, select the free plan. Proton VPN's free plan gives access to servers in a few countries, unlimited bandwidth, and strong security. Next, create a free account by entering your email and setting a secure password. Verify your email if prompted. Once your account is ready, download the Proton VPN app for Windows. Open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. It's simple and only takes a few minutes. After installation, open Proton VPN and log in with your account. You'll see the Proton VPN interface. Click Quick Connect to automatically connect to the fastest free server, like in the US, Japan, or the Netherlands. Your IP will change, and your connection will be fully secured. If you want to switch servers, use the Change Server option and pick any free server available. Keep in mind, there's a short cooldown period when switching. In the settings, you can enable the kill switch feature to block internet if the VPN drops, keeping your real IP safe. You can also enable Auto Connect, so Proton VPN starts automatically when Windows boots or the app opens. The default WireGuard protocol is fast, secure, and modern. And if needed, you can try the Stealth protocol for restrictive networks. While Proton VPN's free plan is great for basic Netflix access, upgrading to a premium plan adds thousands of servers worldwide, better streaming support, and extra security features. But honestly, for the best Netflix experience on your PC, NordVPN is the superior choice. It works consistently with Netflix, offers faster speeds, thousands of servers, and advanced security. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.